Think about our invisible bed solution and what message you would like to pass on to the people who want to look at this solution.
Okay, so being staying in Mumbai, I used to I have been using sofa comb bed for last 10 years. So basically, what sofa comb bed is nothing but it provides a good support, but what it does, it occupies your space. Okay, so if you say it occupies three six, if it's a 6 into 3, so it is 18 square foot almost, so it is 20 square foot of space it is occupying.
Okay.
But when you go for a Murphy bed like this, I have just visited via Google and I have seen your invisible bed side, and it looks it was fascinating, and and I saw that it took only 8 square foot of the space.
Okay.
So in Mumbai, the value of 1 square foot is 50,000. You have to pay at least 50,000.
Wow.
So
Okay.
so that was my idea behind booking this invisible bed, Murphy bed for invisible.
Okay. Okay. And what you would like to pass this message to the no to the audience, to the people like
Yeah. If you want to say, if you want to save the space, if you want to consume more space in your bedroom or anywhere in your entire flat, then please go with the space saving, or what you say, the consumption of space should be very much limited, and it should be what I can say.
yeah, great. Thank you, Tushar
Thank you,
sir. Thank
thank
you
you.
for visiting us and looking forward to serve
Yeah,
you better.
yeah, sure, sure.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.